Hi, my name is Umu, and I'm the channel creator for ReacttotheK, and welcome to my Nature I'm So Pretty reaction. So I really loved both their past two releases, so I'm really curious to see what the sound will be for this one. So let's dive into this one. 3, 2, Nature! That's a trumpet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! Okay. Okay, I like the section where we add in the piano contrasting with that more bassy section. Like, I believe this is verse, right? Or is this the pre-chorus, or is this the chorus? Oh, okay. That was... Okay, so verse and chorus are like the same exact vibe. Yes, because we keep in the bass, the brass, this little rest. I'm gonna re-listen. Verse. We really don't have much difference at all from the chorus, and oh, here's a new section. I was like, na 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 na. Ooh, I wish I had lyrics for this. I don't understand this section. What is happening? Did this section happen before? No, this section's happened before. Am I making the form more complicated than it is, or is this actually like really insane? Bridge. It's a completely new vibe. I don't even know what's going on in the music video either, so that makes this even more of a confusing experience. Oh my god! This is such a crazy experience. And we got new chords under the yepa lipstick part, right? So it's like this song has become something else. And we got the new melody. I am in genuine shock. Positive or negative, I don't know. Like, I enjoy songs where I have no idea what's like happening, but also this was a lot. I think I liked it a lot, but I'm also like, that was, right now my thoughts are on loop. That was weird. 2, that was a lot. 3, I'm glad that they continued with like their unexpected genre changes from, wait, Some You'll Be Mine. I'm really glad because, yeah, Allegro Cantabile is just, it's the anime opening for Allegro Cantabile, and so therefore it's already harmonically just really weird and crazy, and then Some You'll Be Mine has that unexpected dubstep drop, and then this is just like, I'm gonna like take a pen and a pencil and just sketch out the form. I probably won't be able to use like pre-chorus, chorus, verse. I'm probably gonna just use what we use in classical music, which is just like A, B, C, A prime. So we say A prime when the material from A repeats again, but is slightly different. So I'm gonna go back in and listen to that again and enjoy and be confused by this wild roller coaster. 3, 2. Okay, intro. So I'm just gonna call it intro, not A yet. Okay, A. Da 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 da, and then harmonies come in. And then B, when the bass goes boom. But this is the chorus. And then we're immediately back to A prime, so I guess that could be verse 1. And then B prime. And then this weird ass section right here. And then, okay, D. Same instrumentation, new melody. Yep. Okay, B double prime. Because we have da, 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 new chord progression underneath. And then, instrumental transition. I'm gonna say this is a transition. Okay, this is A double prime. And then, new! What the? E. I'm calling this E. But this is definitely the second verse. Okay, again, I'm getting a hang of what this is. Okay, the frickin' C prime. And then chorus, which is D. Okay. I'm getting a hang of this. Yep. B triple prime. Well, I mean, this is just a repetition of... Well, the yes you do. Did that part show up the first time? Okay, bridge. So this would be F. Thankfully, we stick in this style for a while. And then, okay, I'm just gonna, that one breakdown is, I'm gonna count it as part of F. And we're back to D and B. Okay. You want it. We didn't have the ooh-ahs last time. And now, yeah, we've introduced this new line above the loop yaban stuff. And then we have this. Wow. Big band. We start with big band, we end with big band. Cause that's a classic big band ending. Just hit a jazz chord, I'm just gonna say, because can't count how many, my ears aren't good enough to tell the difference between 9th, 11th, etc. chord. But you know, in jazz band, in jazz classics, sometimes you just end with chord, cut off, and chord. Usually it's just like one chord and then cut off and that's it, but they went for 2. So that was unexpected. I am like actually really excited about this. So we have like the little intro, and then I'm gonna count the A, B, A prime, B prime, A, B, A prime, B prime as verse 1. And then it's just funny how we're like switching between 2 vibes that we eventually have in the chorus. And then C is like 1 measure long. Usually pre-choruses are much longer than that. So I'm not sure whether to call it a pre-chorus or just the end of the verse. Maybe we could say AB is verse 1, and then A prime B prime to C is verse 2. And then our chorus is D, and then return of the yep. And then we have like this little instrumental transition where we go back to the very first melody that we start with. However, instead of going straight to the part that shows up in the chorus, the yep, we have this totally new material, which I called E. So I guess we can say that A prime E to C is verse 3? And then we go back to the chorus, and then we have the bridge, which I call F, which sticks to one vibe and then suddenly has a random new vibe propped in. That was was it the big band? I can't remember. And then we finally end with chorus, and we have, yeah, this chorus is different since we have a new voice on top. We don't have like the you know, like the high descant. Instead we just have like a new melodic line that comes in and out until we end with the big band thing. That was really cool. Still not sure if I'm like in love with it or if I'm like, I don't think it works, but I definitely enjoyed this first and second listen. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this is like as messy as Zimzalabim? Because I know a lot of people don't like that. Or do you think it goes together better? Or yeah, what are your thoughts? I look forward to reading the comment section and seeing what you guys think. Bye bye.